Dan Carlos, time information, Lima, time 2047. Wind variable at 3, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 14, dew point 3, altimeter 3023. Expect visual approach, runway 30 is in use. All IFR aircraft contact ground control for clearance, 10 minutes prior to taxi. NOTAMs, runway 30, once devices are out of service, taxiway mic is closed between Golf Hangars and Lima taxiway. Use caution for multiple cranes in the class Delta. Advise you have Lima.
San Carlos ground 95606 at FlyBayArea parking. Request your taxi to run up 30 for Hilton departure with information Lima.
Cessna 95606 San Carlos ground runway 30 run up taxi via Lima.
Taxi via Lima, run up 30 95606. San Carlos Tower 95606 at run up 30 ready for departure.
Cessna 95606 and Carlos Tower runway 30 clear for takeoff.
Runway 30 clear for takeoff 95606, thank you. We have our heading 30, hills on the floor, full power. Gauges are green, airspeed is coming alive. 40, 45, 50 rotate.
Morning 58060, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 30, 060.
Set 606, traffic off your left wing, following the freeway at 1,000 feet. A helicopter has you in sight.
We have them inside 606.
Set 606, in trail of you, Mooney climbing out. He's currently 3/4 of a mile behind you, 1,000 feet. He has you in sight. Contact correction frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Frequency change approved. Good day, 95606.
And then, is it okay to have the mixture leaned up here?
No, when you're doing the maneuver, you have to be,
So for steep turn, it should be leaned out.
okay.
But for slow flight stalls, it's a landing configuration, so it should be rich.
Okay. So should I lean it?
Lean it a little bit.
Okay.
Flight 16,
And when you're in the air, always lean it like this.
Okay.
And you know how to lean it so that you get the right picture?
Yes.
Okay? So how do you do that?
So basically, you lean it until you see the drop and then reach it. Alright, so a slip turn to the left. Let me just, my heading is actually 160.
Okay.
And we do a slip turn to the left, so that is 10 degrees, 20, 30, and we do add some power and stop the bank. Roll out, and I lost altitude too much.
Okay, so let's start that again. Let's go back up to 3,500. The only thing you didn't do was at 30 degrees, you got to start pulling back.
Yeah. I'm a little bit rusty, I guess.
Okay, so at 30 degrees, pull back, and that's why you have to add power.
Yeah.
Okay, try it one more time.
Okay, heading 160, and let's climb just a little bit. Okay, that's my altitude. 160 and to the left, so...
Bay Flight 19 is going to make your right turn towards the numbers now, please.
Full, add some power.
Numbers, Bay Flight 19.
Roll out.
Much better.
Bay Flight 16,
That was like
following
plus or
traffic,
minus
2 mile right base,
10
runway
maybe.
30, clear to land.
Okay, so passing 30, pull back.
Yeah.
Okay, want to do one to the right?
Yes. Alright, should I do clearing turns again or just
Oh, we just went around, so
Okay.
you're fine.
to the right? That's 20, 30, full, and add some power.
Good, nice job. Some people also trim a little bit, you know,
Yeah.
if that helps, you know, you can do that. All right, cool. I'm glad that fixed that one. All right, let's do slow flight and maintain, I don't know, 45 knots, 50 knots on slow flight.
Okay, 45 knots. So that is, and the altitude 3,500, right?
Yeah.
Orbit on 1,700. 10 degrees. 20 and 30.
Good, yeah, so about 2,000 RPM is what you're going to need.
Okay.
All right, give me a left
Bay Flight
turn,
19, taxi
heading
to parking. Yeah,
090.
Have a great day. Thanks for
090.
that was a perfect short base entry.
You know, the clock is right twice a day. Okay.
Have fun.
That is 090.
All right, right turn heading 150.
Right 150.
What controls your altitude here? Pitch or power?
Power.
What controls your airspeed? Pitch or power?
Pitch.
Which rudder do you need to be pressing right now?
Right.
Okay, is the ball centered?
No. I'm pressing it, but it doesn't move.
Press it more. Whatever you need to press, you know, because it's going to require a lot more right
Yeah.
rudder, right? Because of the left turning tendencies, right?
Yeah.
Which I didn't ask you about on the ground, but... Okay, let's go to cruise flight.
Right. First flight, so that is full power. And immediately 10 degrees of flap retracted. Another 10 degrees. We have positive, we have positive rate another last degrees and put the nose down, reduce power to 2,350.
Okay. All right. Whenever you're ready, let's do a power off, approach and landing stall.
Okay, power off, stall. It's actually same as, it starts the same as slow flight, so let me go back to 3,500. Right, carpet on 1,700. In the white are 10 degrees, 20 and 30. Wait for 50. Plated descent. Power to idle. That is our descent.
Skyline 1080 Mike, San
That is
Carlos
a stall
Tower,
warning.
winds variable
That's
3, runway 30,
7 and a stall.
take off.
That's positive rate, last touch of flaps. Alright.
Cool. Let's do a 180 to the left. This will be your clearing turn. You can
Okay.
maintain 3,500.
Alright, to the left, 180. Okay, power on stall.
I'll give you a mixture, Rich.
Okay, yeah. Carpet on. 1,700 and pitch up until 50. Takeoff is that's takeoff speed, full power and pitch up. Right rudder. That is coming in the stall.
Very nice. Alright. Level off. Alright, cool. Lean out the mixture as if you're in cruise now.
Oh, so I had to do that.
Yeah, be careful because that could actually cut it off if you're
Yeah.
if you get some bumps and stuff. Okay.
Mike.
Alright, good. Okay, let me see the throttle real quick. I can say you have some loss of power, not complete, but like you lose power like that much.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
So I go through the checklist. ABC is actually first aim for glider speed, which is 60.
right downwind,
It's not completely loss of power, but I guess we can private air glider speed.
Cirrus 283 Charlie
And
Delta,
try
San Carlos
to-
Tower.
The engine is running.
Field,
Yeah, just do what you're gonna do. Don't teach me.
30.
Just do it. Whatever you're gonna do.
Glider speed, I will find a place to land. That is over my right. And I will go to that landing place, and then I declare emergency by 7700
That's 95995.
on a squawk and mayday, mayday, mayday.
Runway 30, clear
Cessna
takeoff.
5606, about 10 miles south of Half Moon Bay Airport.
Cessna 89458, Crystal Springs, Lima landing.
Partial loss in power, forced landing,
58 San Carlos Tower.
two souls on board and full fuel.
1,200 at downwind, runway 30.
And I go for basically aim for the landing.
Okay. So you're gonna Have you done any troubleshooting at all, or have you checked your checklist or anything?
Towards the cement plant.
I did. So basically,
3 Charlie Delta.
there is a power loss, which is complete loss of power.
Not necessarily. It just says power loss.
Okay.
It doesn't say full power loss or engine failure.
Okay.
Just power loss. So what does the checklist tell you to do?
So we do glider speed, we fuel selector on, we check that,
2 Charlie Delta.
and
So I just want you to do that checklist. That's all. Okay. Power loss in flight. Power loss checklist.
okay.
So do the checklist.
Yeah, that will be fuel selector on, mixture full reach,
Well, are you doing it?
mixture full reach, and flaps down, master and mags off.
Huh? You're looking at the wrong one.
Power loss, yeah, sorry. Power speed on, and pick the landing spot, note the wind direction, mixture full reach, fuel selector on, fuel primer in and lock, magnetos check on both, and master is on.
All right. Okay, so that's what we were expecting. Power loss in flight. Okay, best glide, look for a place, go that way. Then checklist.
Okay.
Fuel is on, mixture switch, carb heat on. Everything looks good. Maybe check the mags, master on, primer lock.
Okay.
Check your checklist. That fix it? Maybe that fix it. Maybe you were too lean. Maybe you have ice. Right? That's what we're looking for. But yeah, you're aware of where you are, right?
We're clear.
But like, let's say now the engine fails completely.
Okay.
Now what are you gonna do?
Now it's actually declaring emergency, and they're using the glider speed and go to the landing spot that they picked and land the aircraft as soon as
Okay,
possible.
yeah, so do that. So now you're gonna do the no restart, time permitting.
Yes.
Same best glide, squawk
Yeah.
7700. That's, we just want you to do that checklist. Can you do that checklist for me as you get to the field?
Yes. So
3 Charlie Delta.
glider speed is 60 and it's squawk 7700. Declare emergency to the same radio that we have. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Cessna 956 about 5 miles south of Half Moon Bay. Engine failure, forced landing, 2 souls on board, full fuel.
Okay.
And then we get the mixture full link and seatbelt harness on, flaps as required. As we secure the landing place, we use the flaps, mags and master off, unlatch door, protect body before impact.
Okay, don't turn to the right because there's an RC field here.
Okay.
And there's like RC planes flying there.
Okay.
So try not to use that. Maybe pretend there's something over there.
Okay.
3-0 clear to land. 3 Charlie.
There's a little bit long, straight.
Yeah, I would go there.
Yeah.
Like maybe there's a rove tree, and then that little tree there. Maybe land on the right side of that.
Yes.
That's what I would do. Or you have that field there.
Yes, I
too.
do.
We'll be back in an hour. See you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got the overhead insight, 865.
All right, let's go ahead and. So what are you aiming like? So you're gonna go straight, right?
Yes.
Cool. Otherwise, you want to get to a point, a beam, and then make the landing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and punch out. Go ahead and climb out now.
Okay.
I wanted to do ground reference maneuvers, but it's okay for today.
Okay.
Let's go back to San Carlos. What?
That's right, 286 Charlie. I forget your parking.
And if you had a fire here, what would you do? Engine fire.
Engine fire, that's top one.
What does it say? What does your checklist say?
Yeah, the checklist actually says engine fire, mixture full link,
Okay.
and fuel selector off, master switch off, cabin heat and air vents off.
Okay.
increase the airspeed to actually just extinguish the fire, but if you're low,
Yeah, you still have to do it.
you'll have to do it. Okay.
Yeah, because you want to get rid of the fire, right?
Okay.
So you do an emergency descent. Basically, you go, carb heat on, my controls.
Okay, you'll
Just put the nose down.
Yeah.
And then
just fire off.
I just get some airspeed, right?
Okay, yeah.
But that's going to be for your check ride. You're going to have to do that.
Okay.
Okay, so your controls level off at 1500. Controls?